Hello guys, what's up guys? And this is me, Don Lemon Boy. Welcome back to another Discord video for them. So there is a new auto mode feature. The beta new auto mode feature on Discord. It's the boss let you stop you from letting it swear word or something. Well, auto mode has this for you. It's still on beta, but look, I'm sure how to open. Go to click on here, click on server settings, go to auto mode, and then as you can see here we go. Community flag war. So we don't want server install and and that stuff. So there's a lot of this is like auto mode and it does not like these things happen. Maybe we use that. So this is make sure this is no one big. If you want your admin a mode to swear on your server, insult people on your server, well, this is you can enable that, but please don't enable that because if your server still non-discover, as you can see on my and save changes, I didn't even what. So let's just go confirm it. So the server you want it to be here. As you can see here, my server shows up. Go to your server and safe environment. You have so for the server. So here you go. So the server is not 80 weeks old. So it's telling you a day. So check on center, back on center. No bad words, and please enable 2FA moderator. So this is discovery. So there's a cool new feature. You can make a website or a homepage to your Discord server. So this is the unexplained for Windows thing. As you can see here, there's this one. This home beta, but my server is not in Discover. What's Discover? If I click on this is Discover. So if I just here's it, here. Beluga Gang. I really like Beluga. Make sure to subscribe to it. Tommy's Discord. There's a lot of cool videos you can just find. So I just Terraria. It's just fake Minecraft stuff. English. Not the best place to practice your. What is these servers? Gaming. That's what I like. Minecraft. Minecraft, one of the best games in the world. Yeah. Well, let's just Minecraft Legend. These this is what the discovery is. It's just for a new feature on Discord, but I'm making it in this video. So guys, let's just do thing. When my server turns 8 weeks old, and 1,000 members on my server, and all of the requirements for discovery, and I get the home page, I'll show it in the next video. And the video has to hit 100 likes. Yeah, that's what I want. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button. And subscribe and turn on that bell for more videos like this. Bye!